In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Proxy Mode in CapCut PC. If your high-resolution 4K footage is lagging, stuttering, or freezing while you edit, Proxy Mode is one of the easiest ways to make your timeline feel much smoother. It helps CapCut create lighter versions of your clips for editing, so playback is faster and more responsive, while your final export still keeps the original quality. This is especially helpful if you're working on a slower computer or using large video files. To get started, open your CapCut project and go down to your timeline. Make sure no clips are selected before moving on. An easy way to do that is to click on any empty space in the timeline area. This matters because you want CapCut to show your project settings, not the settings for a specific clip. Once nothing is selected, look over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Details section, you'll see the option to modify your master project settings. Click the Modify button to open that menu. This is where CapCut lets you adjust broader project options, including performance-related settings. When the Project Settings window appears, look for the Performance section. Inside that area, find the Proxy option. Go ahead and click the checkbox next to Proxy to turn it on. As soon as this is enabled, CapCut will be allowed to generate proxy files that are much easier for your computer to handle during editing. You can leave the proxy resolution set to 720p, which is usually the best balance between speed and visual clarity. In other words, your preview will still look good enough to edit comfortably, but it won't be as demanding on your system as full-resolution footage. That makes scrubbing, playback, and trimming much smoother in most cases. After that, save the change by clicking the blue Save button in the bottom right corner of the settings window. Once you do, CapCut will start generating lightweight proxy files in the background automatically. Depending on the size of your footage, this may take a little time, but you can usually continue working while it happens. Now, when you return to your timeline, your high-resolution media should play much more smoothly, with far less lag during editing. And the best part is that this only affects your editing performance, not your final output. When you export your project, CapCut still uses the original full-quality footage. And that's it! Proxy Mode is now turned on, and you're ready for a much smoother editing experience in CapCut PC.